Hello student. As earlier I am teaching you that the class 9 the village of Palampur, the first chapter of the economics. In that I have told about the various types of irrigation facilities of the Palampur. Now I will tell today the various features of the particular point. And in the all the villages there is a heavy levels of the irrigation apart from the riverine plains. The coastal regions are in our country are well irrigated. In contrast that the plateau regions such as the Deccan Plateau have the low level of irrigation. Deccan Plateau have the low level of the irrigation, low level of the irrigation. Out of the total cultivated area in the country, a little less than 40% is irrigated even today, and in the remaining area the farming is largely depend on the rainfall. Means in the Deccan Plateau area, the irrigation is totally depend upon the rainfall. When the rainfall will come, then the irrigation facility will grow there. To to grow more than one crop on a piece to grow more than one crop on a piece of land piece of land during the year is known as the multiple cropping. It is the most common way of increasing production on the given piece of the land. And all the farmers in the Palanpur grow at least two main crops. Mainly crops are the potato as the third crop as the past in 15 or 20 years. Means it means that there are too much irrigation facilities are available in the Palampur, and due to this the various crops are grown in the Palampur. And you know that the in the yield is what? Why yield is the measured as a crop produced on a given piece of the land during the single season. Until the 1960, the seeds grown in the cultivation were traditional, and the traditional seeds are needed less than the irrigations. And the farmers use the cow dungs and other natural manure as a fertilizers, and all these are readily available with the farmers who did not go them to buy them. Means it means that if the fertilizers are not available, and we want to grow the more and more crop, they use the cow dungs as a fertilizers in the Palampur. And the green revolution introduced after that the green revolution comes. The green revolution introduced the Indian farmers to cultivate of wheat and the rice using the high yielding varieties seeds, and compared to high yielding variety seeds promised to produce such as a greater amounts of the grain on the single plant. As a result, the same piece of land would now produce a far larger quantity of the food grains than was possible earlier. High yielding variety seeds, however, they need plenty of water and also the chemical fertilizers and the pesticides. And to farmers of the Haryana, Punjab, and the Western Uttar Pradesh were the first to the try out of the modern farming methods in the India. Means you know that the farmers of the Punjab, Haryana, and the West Uttar Pradesh were the first to try out the modern farming method in the India. And the farmers in these regions set up the tubes for the irrigations and made use of the high yielding variety seeds, chemical fertilizers, and the pesticides in the farming. And some of them bought the machinery like the tractors and the threshers, which made the plowing and the harvesting faster. Okay. In the Palampur, what happened? In the Palampur, the yield of the wheat grow from the traditional varieties where 1,300 kg went up to the 3,200 kg per hectare due to this high yielding variety seeds. And there was a large increase in the production of the wheat. Farmers now get great amount of the surplus wheat to sell in the markets. Means these are the various things are came for in the farming to increase the soil fertility to grow more and more crops. Modern techniques are used in the Palampur to grow more and more crops, and the high yielding variety seeds are used to grow the more crops by when the green revolution came. Okay, and now in next lecture I will tell about the how the green revolution how the green revolution come, and what the various things they have bring to grow the more and more crops in the village Palampur. Okay, thank you.